will show you try on see-through amazing cool transparent dress to stylish and sparkling looks. I hope my ideas inspire you to create your own looks with a classic dress. Transform a simple outfit into something eye-catching and memorable. Honestly, this material, this is so soft. Be sure to stay with